aux utilisateurs d'en faire bon usage parce que tout cela participe de la facilitation du commerce, mais aussi de la nécessité de maximiser les recettes pour la DGDA.
Le système de facilitation du commerce virtuel est une initiative électronique du marché commun de l'Afrique orientale et australe, ayant pour but l'harmonisation des procédures commerciales entre la RDC et les différents pays de transit le long des corridors nord, central et ouest. Ce système offre un éventail d'avantages qui consistent à 1. Aider les organisations du secteur privé et public de la RDC ayant souscrit aux conditions fixées par la DGDA pour assurer le suivi du mouvement de leur cargaison de façon efficace en temps réel afin de réduire le coût des affaires le long des corridors qui desservent la RDC.
The historic launching we are witnessing today would not have been possible without the commitment of the government under the wise leadership of His Excellency Joseph Kabila Kabange, President of the Democratic Republic of Congo. It was under the chairmanship of COMESA by the DRC that this innovative program was designed and tested for implementation. The implementation of the CBTS is not only a game changer that will plug loopholes for those in business who have invented creative ways of avoiding paying duties and taxes to customs through what is described by customs as round tripping. Most fundamentally, the eventual rolling out of the CBTS in the Lubumbashi to Dar es Salaam corridor, the Central Corridor, and the Northern Corridor will result in improved operational efficiency by those involved in logistics and transport services, and 100% by DGDA in ensuring that import and export tech cargoes are accounted for. What we are witnessing today has involved substantial investments by both COMESA and DGDA, and in this respect, I would like to thank most sincerely the Director General and assure him that very soon, both DGDA and the Ministry of Finance will see increased revenues. We are again here today witnessing the launching of another COMESA program, which will contribute, as the Director General has indicated, to trade facilitation and improved competitiveness. The CBTS has faced opposition from some players in the market for the simple reason that it will prevent those who are not appointed by governments to collect revenues on behalf of government and also divert transit cargo to the transit countries. It is unfortunate that in some of the COMESA countries, the customs officers are also opposed to the system because it will eat into their income. All I can say is that what we are doing today is going to contribute to DR Congo moving, as we implement the system, to the top 50 in the ease of doing business of the World Bank. There is a lot to be done. For example, in the banking sector, they say, you know your client, KYC. But if you are exporting and you don't know who your clients are, then it means you will have mispricing and transfer pricing, and the country loses. This is why, in the not too distant future, it will be important to containerize exports of cobalt, of copper, and other minerals so that we are able to do audit with the destination countries as to what price was paid by the importers. On that note, all I can assure you, Honorable Minister, and the Director General is that COMESA will be on your side as you roll out the CVTS in all the corridors.